Thank you all for being a participant in the launching of the first company outlet of POC Automotive Limited. And I think this is a like first time in the industry we are launching multi-brand two-wheeler service centers. Okay, this is starting from Karnataka, and already we have established in last three districts. One is Chikballapur and Bangalore district and Mysore district. So we are just starting branding through Karnataka for this financial year, and we have a 7-year plan for the long vision, and we are going ahead with our mission and vision both. And I think with the launch of our products, what we are having the product that will be benefiting to our customer definitely, and definitely customers will be having the benefit of our launch, whatever products we are launching, that they will feel that that is for us only. So say such a way we are designed our service products. Okay, and we request basically, and please come to visit our POC outlets, and please have a best service of our service product, and wish us the best of luck for the our going further ventures. Thank you.
The first thing I would like to share with you is the courier industry. During our days, I think these gentlemen will agree with me, Indian Postal was the only ultimate thing for us. When this courier thing came, we didn't even know this spelling because it was very complicated, COURIE or something like that. We are thinking how this business will take up. And today you know how courier company has grown up, and they literally wiped off Indian Postal. Do you agree with me? Yes. This is because of pure service deliveries, the excellence in service deliveries. It is not that, okay, the Indian Postal was bad, but they started thinking innovative. The thinking was out of the box. The same thing, around 40 years back, again when I go back, hotel suppliers and suddenly overnight there were hotel management schools opened up. We are thinking, why this hotel management course? But you see the change today? Even a mid-sized hotel has a guy with a suit on, tie on. Probably today, I think, because of Corona, even he comes with a notepad.
POC is multi-brand two-wheeler service dealership, whereas we are planning digitally enabled dealership in Pan India. So this is first company outlet which we inaugurated today. So this is with a capacity of 56 vehicles, so that we can do it. So where we launched today 3 major milestones in our company outlet. One is service product that is called maintenance subscription, that is inclusive of 48 parts, and then you can affordable prices. You can have 1 year, and then you can peace of mind. Then one more is mobile app which we launched, that is service on fingertips, that concept, where whenever you comes for the service, you can have avail your service, book your service. You can have a live tracking. So after that, you can avail your free discounts coupons, and then the vehicle will be delivered to your doorstep. So adding to that, where we are seeing in the metropolitan cities where it's required come and pick up kind of thing. So where we introduce service on wheels. So that is wherever the customer is there, 10-kilometer radius, you can call the customer. It will be free pick up and drop. It's a free of cost. So here, what are the things we'll be doing is paid service will be doing over there only. So the trust and then the invoice, the cost of in terms of costing, it will be 20-30% is lesser than usual costing where you go for other dealerships, right? So coming to further, as this dealership, as VOC Bangalore, it's having our regional training center, that is capacity of 15 members per time. So regional training center, it's like Pan Karnataka, it's a training center. And then coming to our regional office is Karnataka regional office, where our team will sit here. So this will be administration office for entire Karnataka. So as a part next in service comes is a majorly part. So parts is a major challenge where we'll be having capacity of 30 lakhs of parts capacity. So there you can avail the parts capacity with 7 brands with 181 models. 7 brands having 181 models, as like Hero, Honda, Bajaj, Suzuki, Yamaha, TVS and Royal Enfield. They will be having 181 models. That part will be available in our dealership. One roof you can avail 7 brand services. So as in terms of our technicians. So technicians are well qualified, and then with that particular brand, example, if is dealing with Honda, so he will be experienced around 5 years in Honda. If he's dealing with Bajaj, he will be dealing with minimum 5 years in Bajaj. Likewise, we have each and every models will be having separate technicians, and then our technical team, they are very well equipped, and then they will be giving suggestions. So last but not least, not least, we will be having digitalized platform where each and every time the customer comes in, he will be checking his on real-time vehicle status, where he can see in display of our customer launch, and then as well as their live app as well.